Hi guys, Mike Sperduti here. It's Inside Sales Month. That's right, we're focusing on the single most powerful growth engine in the medical device space today. Forget about social media and trade shows and direct mail and all this stuff that you have to do. The real focus has to be on growth. Growth today, growth tomorrow, growth period. That's why we all get paid. Whether you're a salesperson, whether you're a sales manager, whether you're CEO, that's how we earn our money, by growing our revenue, profitability, and shareholder value. And inside sales is right now the single most powerful way to do that. Why? Well, we are in an age of what I call singular marketing. The end of one-size-fits-all mass marketing is dead. Think about how ineffective it is to you. How many emails are you getting today that have a generic subject title and a generic message? They have no idea what you're doing relative to their product or service. They have no idea whether you're in the market or not. They have no idea what business you're in, and they're selling their product or service. It's ridiculous. That's so old school. Today, in singular marketing, to be effective, is you have to demonstrate in that marketing piece, on your webinars, on your websites, with your prospecting calls, that you understand their business, their problems, their initiatives as well or better than they do, and you're able to solve those issues and help them achieve their goals better than every other choice on the market. And so the only way that you can do that is to understand what they're using right now for a solution. How old is that solution? If it's a medical device, when are they going to be replacing that technology? Are they in the market and in an evaluation process? All those things are going to help you market differently. So if I know, for instance, that you just bought a chemistry analyzer, and that chemistry analyzer has a 7-year replacement cycle, I'm going to market to you a lot differently than somebody who I know who just entered the market for a chemistry analyzer. In addition, if I know what equipment that you are currently using, and now you're going to be switching out to another piece of equipment, what the unmet needs are, that would be powerful information, and I'd market to you differently. You see, that's intelligent marketing. But the only way that I can do that is to send targeted messaging, targeted prospecting messages, is to know you, to understand you. And the only way to do that is to have a meaningful conversation with you. And the best way to scale meaningful conversation today is the telephone. It is still a very, very powerful instrument. Why? Because all the departments in a hospital, the managers and directors all sit at a desk, they do their desk work, and they have a phone. And when that phone rings, they pick it up a lot. And so, because they think it's an intercompany call, it's just part of their routine. And so today, unlike the home market or other B2B markets where the telephone just is becoming less and less effective or not effective at all, the medical device space is ripe right now for two reasons. Number one, there's not a lot of people, believe it or not a lot of people doing inside sales in this space. It's crazy. I hear it all the time. We're not telemarketers, our buyers more sophisticated, they're clinicians. The bottom line is, if you have something worthwhile to share with these people and you construct a professional message and you call them up on the telephone to basically just engage them to understand their biggest challenges, their biggest initiatives, and you have meaningful solutions, they're going to appreciate the call, and they do. So the bottom line is this. You need to marketing to one customer at a time. You need to understand that customer. And the only way to understand and get in the mind of that customer cannot be social media, cannot be any inbound marketing. It has to be outbound. It has to be conversational. And then you can use all these other wonderful tools. So let's start focusing in on our inside sales program. If you don't have one, let's think about building one, or let's think about outsourcing to a company, and let's start harnessing the power of inside sales. Join my webinar September 26th. We're going to talk about what we're doing in 47 countries in native language. There's the buzzer. I'm out of here. Register. Talk to you soon.